everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I received a package in the mail. And before I opened it though, I wanted to open this winning box that I received from Lizzy's World of Gems. Now, I normally do not participate in winning things because I feel like I want to bless you guys. However, oh, look at this. She's got this box all crazy. I had to figure out, is this a Canadian box, Lizzy? Like, do we open this a different way? Whew, I don't know. Trying to figure this out. So, but I was in one of her lives and she was doing her Halloween, one of her giveaways for Halloween, and I really wanted this mug, and so I played, and I can't believe I actually won it. And so here, this is from Lizzy. Look at this, I got some Canadian candies. So this is the True Smarties. I got some Kit Kat, I got some Oreo, I got some Coffee Crisp, and some more Smarties. Thank you so much, Lizzy. This says, pick your poison, and it's a Lizzy Falcon. And I thought this was so cute. Thank you so much. You know, a lot of people say they never win anything, and I say keep playing, keep playing. You're bound to win someday. So the reason I'm opening this is because the package I'm going to be opening for you is from Treasure Studios Art. I'm so excited. All right, so I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to cut this all open because you guys don't need to see that part, and then we're going to dive in. Forgive the background because my dog is going crazy. It is a weekend afternoon and she wants attention. And I'm not giving it to her. So she keeps coming down and she keeps saying, give me attention, Mom, give me attention. All right. Okay, so we have these boxes. 1, 2. I got 2 paintings and I'm super excited. One of these paintings I am hoping to do through the winter in January, and I have a story behind the painting. So you might be thinking, what is a white box? Well, because of the amazing shipping situation the whole world is facing, Rachel at Treasure Studios wanted to make sure that we all get our containers in a decent way. So as you can see, one size comes in a box because it is slightly smaller in width, and one size came in a tube because it doesn't fit in a box. Internationally and even domestically, she did some research and things were coming back to her, and there's new standards over the past 18 months that require you have to have it in different packaging depending on the width and the length and etc. And so that's why you see the 2 different packages. I do want to say with things that are going, and everyone has seen this, shipping's going up, 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 and Rachel had to make the decision to reformat her shipping. She used to do a flat rate of, I think it was $9.95 or $9.99, and it was killing the small bit. Well, it wasn't killing the small business. It was not helping her succeed and giving us a high quality product because a lot of what she was taking on the extra shipping costs versus passing it to us. So yes, I just wanted to let you know that check out the shipping. It is very reasonable. It's pretty much based on weight, which is what we're used to instead of a flat rate. So check it out. And it's, it's just basically what shipping costs. All right. So what I like about these is on the end of the box. She has what it is, and this is called Outside in the Morning Snow. The reason I liked this, now one of my friends saw this painting and said, why would I want a sad snowman? And I thought, you know, it's okay to not be okay. Okay, crinkle alert. So you can still be a snowman and not be okay. So this is a Lizzy Falcon. It's not somebody with big eyes or one eye. I'm so excited. It is a mounted glue. Mounted glues are different than poured glue or double-sided adhesive. So it is a different type of adhesive. Get this out. I will show you a picture right here of what you get in your toolkit. This is a square. And let's see what this is. I love the blues and the greens and the grays. How beautiful is this? So it has 35 colors. You get your key on the bottom right and the top left. And this is a snowman holding a lantern, and I thought, how beautiful would it be to put some glow in this lantern. You get the picture up here in the top left of what it is. And I'm going to put a picture right here of what Lizzy Falcon's original artwork is. So this is a snowman, and he's a little bit sad. And he has a heart that you can see through. It's like his heart is missing and he's looking for it. Aww. I wanted to get this because I wanted to show that it's okay to not be okay, but you can still enjoy the snow and you can still enjoy the light and, you know, have some time out in the world. So here's the moon. This is going to be black. I'm excited. I think I'm going to use some like metallics here. And I'm really, really excited on glitzing this up a little bit, letting the snow sparkle and shimmer and shine. So this is what she calls Outside in the Snow by Lizzy Falcon. I want to take this opportunity to let you know that there's some amazing artists, some amazing Christmas things out there, some amazing flowers. It's just, go check it out. It's not all Lizzy Falcon. Okay, so here is your sheet that you're going to get. There's that picture again of the snowman. So adorable. As you can see, there's 35 colors. It is square. It's a 50 by 75 is what I chose. I like anything that's about 40 by 50 or 50 kind of as my base, and then I go from there. I feel like you get it's not oversized, but you get a lot of definition that you can work with. This shows what your DNC colors are, how many you're supposed to get of each. The way Treasure Studios does it is they package everything in baggies, and they're clearly labeled, so if you want to work directly out of the bags, you can. Most of the time I choose to do what we call kit up and actually label containers and put them in because it's just easier for me. Every now and then I do work out of the baggies if I've got 3 or 4 going on at the same time and I just don't feel like kitting up. By the end, I'm always thinking to myself, dang, I wish I would have kit this up. So here's the 310. Looks like the largest one is that 3865, but all these beautiful blues, and then you've got some oranges for that color, but I think I am going to do what we call enhance it and switch them out. But these are just so beautiful, and I love the quality. I have not done a square Treasure Studios since they switched factories, and so I'm excited to do this one so I can share with you how the quality has changed. I Now, I'm a fan of TSA, but I know some people haven't had an great experience. So I always give a company, after about a year, I go back and try them out again, because companies change things based on feedback and they get better and better. And so give a company a chance. If you're not a huge fan of them, not a problem, no pressure, but try them out again a year later. There's lots of changes that go on. All right, so I'm going to roll this up so I don't lose all my precious pieces, because if you are a member, you have seen how messy things are right now in my craft area. I do not want to lose this fabulous piece of art. Okay, here we go. Put that off to the side. So Lizzy did 3 snowmen, and I ended up purchasing 2 out of the 3. I ended up ordering 2 out of the 3. I'm still debating on the third one. These 2 were the ones that spoke to me. They're not a set, but they go together, and you'll see why in a minute. So again, I'll put a picture of the toolkit in case you fast forward. Crinkle alert. Side note, my daughter came down while I was filming and turned on the lights, and my lights don't like to be on camera, and so sometimes they blink. So if you see a blinka, that's what you're getting. So bear with me. Okay, so this piece is called, let me find it, A Warm Night by Lizzy. And I just thought this was kind of cute. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. He's a little snowman with his little lantern. His little heart's missing, but he's got his 2 friends with him who are just saying, hey, you know what? It's okay. We're here. We're going to keep you company, and we're going to have a good night together. This one I also got in square because I did notice, oh, look at all that blue. I love that color. Which color is that? That is 3808. Beautiful, beautiful. I love square, but I guess I had a lot of squares, so I started ordering a lot of round, and then I realized I had gone the pendulum swing the other direction and was running out of square, so I needed to get some more square. I like to kind of even Steven because I go back and forth depending on what I like. Okay. So let's look at this beauty. I chose 60 by 70. And look how cute he is. I can't wait. So I'm doing a red truck one for the winter, but then I'm doing this, and I thought these were great because they're wintry here in Michigan versus Christmassy, and I just thought it was so cute. I'm looking forward because the crows are all the same color. They're all 310, and just like I did with another crow painting, I'm gonna sprinkle through hopefully some we call enhancements, beautiful ABs and sparklers and different things like that. So this snowman is so cute. Again, it's mounted glue. This one has 39 colors in it. Here's the moon over here. You got your beautiful glow. I am going to show you the symbols. Well, I'm going to take you down and show you the symbols because the glare is intense right now with my lighting situation. So I'm going to take you down and show you the symbols, or put a picture in here of the symbols. But this is beautiful. I'm so excited. I do have 15% off. Anytime you order from Treasure Studios Art, use DP Gen 15. You'll get 15% off your $40 or more purchase. That is not a one-time thing. That is all the time. So feel free to go use that. You can pick any artist you want. They have some beautiful paintings out. New artists are coming out all the time, new artwork from the current artist. So go check them out. So yes, so I love you all. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. There are many, many more in the future as far as checking out new artists. So take care, be blessed. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.